Morning, everyone. And of course, first and foremost, I would like to welcome not just you, but myself also to this council meeting. It's nice to know that we're all gathered here today, not because only of our commitment towards mental health, but also to express our deep compassion for the cause of the war or fight against HIV, STD, and AIDS in the city of Victorias. I know that more than being a medical concern, it is also of social, cultural, and moral one for all of us, because it does not just concern about the health, the survival, and the well-being of those affected, but as well as the stigma that comes with it. That's the most serious barrier that we face today, especially with the council. And I think what I would like to share with the council members is that more than just complying with the mandate to organize and to do programs and projects to end AIDS, STD, and HIV in the city of Victoria, it is important that each one of us has or have their own personal compassion and commitment towards the resolution of the problem. So I'm glad that we are all gathered here today to discuss about our concerns with HIV, STD, and AIDS in the city of Victoria. One of the most important things to do is maybe to create in the minds of everyone that this council and the City Health Office, under the stewardship of Ma'am Grace, is here to join them and empathize with them and make confidentiality as one of the utmost, importance for them. No? We have to create a venue wherein everybody will just feel peaceful and at ease with dealing with us. Because I know that I have seen a lot of friends, a lot of maybe neighbors, friends, relatives, and any other ordinary individual in the city of Victoria, not just from the town or proper, but even in the rural areas nowadays, whom we heard have been infected with or infected with that disease. No? It's open to everybody, especially to the members of the LGBTQIA community. So I think it's time that we should step up and make them feel that they are not alone in this battle, that they have us, not just their city government, but people who have been assigned to take care of them. And I think I would like to commend, of course, Ma'am Grace, the rest of the team, and of course the City Health Office for so far have been doing the greatest job in pursuing for the development and welfare of this sector of the community. But I would like to encourage everyone that it does not stop in there. It has to continue and it has to be spread. Everybody has to know and everybody has to have a place in the city of Victoria where they can confide with the council, with Ma'am Grace, with the City Health Office, peacefully without any fear that, ang stigma plus ang shame, we should eliminate it and instead replace it with this, not stigma, but that feeling of being secure and emotionally secure. Because this is not a fight to be won in secrecy, but this is a fight that needs to be won with the help of one another. So I'm very glad on behalf of the Honorable Mayor, Julie Batu, and the Honorable Vice Mayor, David Palangka, and all the members of the City Council. We would like to express our full support. Chairman of the Committee on Public Health, I will surely represent this part of the sector in our community. So again, thank you, and I am very honored to have been invited and be part of the meeting today. Salamat po tayong hagas.
It is working for the inside.